Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you with a project share. I've created a step-by-step video tutorial for Craft O'Clock YouTube channel for this card about a few weeks ago, and I decided to show you this card as well on my channel so you can see, and if you like it and if you want to follow the step-by-step tutorial, you can go to Craft O'Clock YouTube channel, which I'm going to link below the video so you can check it out. So that's the card. It's a trifold Showstopper card, and I'm going to show you also what I use for this card. So this card can be created with cutting dies, or you can use a template. I use cutting dies because there is this beautiful cutting die set which cuts every single element. It cuts the base, cuts the mats and layers as well. So this one is by Made to Surprise by Sam Carcott. It gives you everything. It's so easy to use and I love it. If you are Craft Stash VIP member, you get 10% on every single item. So I'm going to link this one below the video so you can check it out. I also got two different sets because there are other sets available, a 6x6 and 5x7. So these are very similar but create different size, 6x6 and 5x7. And yes, but I think this one is my favorite because look at this. It's just so pretty, so beautiful and so easy to use. So for this card I use Garden of Harmony paper collection by Craft O'Clock. As I said at the beginning, I love the purples and I love this kind of brown cream color, as you can see on my card. And because the card is quite big, it doesn't fit any envelope, so I create this envelope box which fits my card really nicely, and I'm going to think about adding a closure, maybe a ribbon or something different. I'm not sure yet, but I made it just to show you that you can do something like this and it looks really nice and neat. I used two pieces of 12 by 12 paper, and I use this paper from this Crafter's Companion paper pad. It's a Pearlescent card and it's called Spring Sorbet. I'm going to link everything below the video if it's available, obviously. So that's my card, and of course I use a lot of elements for fussy cutting from that collection. And as you can see, I was actually thinking about adding layers on the side to cover that purple, but I think it gives that more dimension and it looks so much better. It stands really nice, and if you want to create something for someone special, I think that's the card. It just looks really beautiful. You can do it so many different ways. You can actually do only half of it, and because I cut the base twice and I joined it here in the middle. So if you are interested, I can actually do a video tutorial, or you can go to Craft O'Clock YouTube channel and then you will see how I put everything together. And just before starting to record this video, I added 5x7. It's actually slightly smaller panel here to write my wishes, but you can add another one on this side as well, and then I think you will have more space to write your message. Of course, you don't have to do it. You can actually die cut another that panel and adhere it nicely at the back and write your message over here. It's up to you. You can create an envelope here if you want to put a gift voucher. There are so many different possibilities for this card. I am in love in this die set, to be honest. So this is my trifold Showstopper card made with Made to Surprise cutting die set by Sam Carcott, and I hope you like it. I love this card so much, love the color palette, I love the elements which I cut out from the collection, and you can do so much more with this set. So I hope you like it. Let me know, what do you think about this project? Would you get this kind of die set. If you are VIP member, of course you've got 10% discount, and from time to time they do other discounts as well. So like when we had a YouTube Hope, we were giving 20% discount code. So if you watch my videos, you might find something interesting in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know what do you think about it. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.